There is no getting around the fact that cement pots can be incredibly expensive. When you are trying to take care of a garden, it can be a nightmare just to think how severely your wallet will be impacted should you need to pot a multitude of plants. If we could materialize a legion of cement pots out of the thin air, well, we certainly would. Unfortunately, we do not have such superpowers, so we have to make do however we can. It goes without saying that we absolutely refuse to crack open our wallet for cement pots. If we did, we'd go bankrupt in a matter of months. So instead, we rely on our ingenuity and that of our good friend Nana. Nana, she is an expert green thumb. She's both frugal and delightful. She is always coming up with cost-effective ways to keep her garden in tip-top shape. She is so gracious as to share a great many of her ideas with us. And in turn, we give them to you, dear viewer. We want you to benefit just as we have all this time. As you can see, we are building our own cement pot. This workpiece is pretty much entirely cardboard and tape. If you can find yourself a bucket, some cloth, and dish out for a little bit of cement mix, well, you're in very good shape. Our cloth has already been caked in cement and adhered to our bucket. Our workpiece is very well formed. What we're doing now is filling out the inside of our workpiece with more cement, leaving plenty of time to allow each layer to dry before moving on to our finishing touches. Here our piece is being sanded in order to give it a more pleasant texture. Once that's done, we dust the surface of our pot and move on to the real fun part, painting. Our primer goes on first, followed by a grassy green paint. We have added also a secondary color to allow a little bit of contrast between the textured and barer portions of our pot. Just take a look at how well this piece turned out. At this point, there's not much left to do. We can spruce things up here and there, beautify what we may, but by and large, our project is concluded. With the plant on display inside our pot, things are looking pretty darn good. With this, you can see just how easy it is to provide your own cement pots. There is no need whatsoever to break the bank. It is a beautiful thing, really, to see. But dear viewer, let us know how you felt about this project. Will you try to provide your own garden decor?